These pets have no boundaries. What would you do in these moments? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned with us.
I'm working. Hey, I'm working.
Пока. Оля, блин. Да все. Что все? Уже ничего не сделаешь. Уже все.
Are you mad? Are you mad? Patient. Oh, patient.
What in the world do you do with these dogs? I heard they were all about your personal space, but this is unreal. She has a whole seat with a blanket and a chew toy, and look where she's riding.
Alarm is going off. She just called me, freaked out. Oh my God, Titan! Oh my God, Titan! What you do, Bear? Titan!